To create this design, I'm going to add a cylinder and I will go with the 32 words. Then go to the front view, go to the edit mode and scale this cylinder along the z-axis like this. After that, add few loop cuts in this way. Then I'm going to use the knife tool and I will create a cut like this. Then select everything and mesh, symmetrize, take the symmetry along the z-axis in this way. After that, select this edge loop and select this edge loop and Ctrl X to dissolve it. Then select these edge loops and dissolve them and add new edge loops add there in this way. After that, turn on the X-ray mode and select these faces and then use the insert operation. Turn on this edge rail option so you can get straight edges and give the proper thickness. Then use the insert operation one more time and give the same thickness. Then select this edge loop and then press Alt S to scale it along the normal. Turn on the offset even and give the proper offset like this. Then select these faces in this way and then increase the selection and press P for selection to make a different object. You will get this kind of designs. Then select this object and isolate it. Go to the edit mode, select this top edge loop and select this bottom edge loop and right click bridge edge loop in this way. Here you can select these edge loops and dissolve them and add new edge loops like this. And here also we will do the same thing. Select this edge loop and select this edge loop and right click bridge edge loop. Select this edge loops and Ctrl X to dissolve them and add new edge loops like this. Now I will select these faces. Then I will use the insert operation and I will press Alt S to scale it along the normal. Then turn on the X-ray mode and deselect these words in this way and then scale this edge along the z-axis SZ and just try to properly align it in this way. Then move it along the z-axis. Then select everything, mesh, symmetrize, take the symmetry and we will get this kind of design which is looking good. Then select these faces and Shift D to duplicate it and press P for the selection. Now select this object and the separated object like this and here select these faces and delete them. Now join these two objects and select this edge loop and then right click bridge edge loop in this way. Pretty good. Then I will select these faces and I will extrude them along the x-axis. Then scale them along the z-axis and move it along the x-axis like this. Then select this object, isolate it and select these faces and delete them like this. Then select this edge and select this edge and press F to fill the gap. Select this edge and press F. Then select this top edge loop and press F to fill the gap. Then add new loop cuts like this and then select these words and connect vertex pair. Press J and connect vertex pair. Then select these edges and remove them. Select everything, mesh, symmetrize. Then select these edges and Ctrl X to dissolve them. Then select these words and snap 3D cursor to it. And then Shift A, mesh, add a cube. This is our cutter object. Scale it down. Go to the edit mode and select these words and move these words. Then scale them along the z-axis. Then select everything, S, Y, scale them along the y-axis. Then select these two objects and use the Boolean operation difference. And then apply the Boolean modifier and hide this cutter object. Then select everything, press M and merge by distance. So double words will get merged. And I will delete the one half of the model. And then select these words and J to connect them. Remove this edge and select these edges, Ctrl X to dissolve them. Delete this bottom part and now create a chord-based topology for this. Select these words and press M, merge at last. Select this edge loop, Ctrl X to dissolve it and add new edge loop. Select these words and move them along the y-axis in this way to get that curve. Then select this edge loop and Ctrl B, add bevel on it. Add 4 segment bevel and give the proper bevel width like this. Then you can add few loop cuts in this way. We will get this kind of design. Then check the face orientation and select everything. Press Alt and recalculate the normal. and then go to the select sharper edges, select supportive sharper edges like this, and Control B, add bevel on it. Shape factor should be 1, add 2 segment bevel and give the proper bevel width in this way. Then hit the Control 2 to add the subdivision modifier and shade smooth it. Then I'm going to select this edge loop and Control X to dissolve it. Use the edge slide here to avoid the pinching. Select this edge loops and use the set flow like this, so you can get smooth shading at there. Here I can select these words and I can press M, merge at center, and I can merge these words, and then I can select this edge loop and Control X to dissolve it like this. If you're not getting any pinching, then that's okay. I can add one loop cut like this, so we will get even topology, which is looking really well. Then select this object, and here also you need to select the sharper edges. So select sharper edges, then select the supportive sharper edges and Control B, add bevel on them. Add 2 segment bevel and give the proper bevel width. Then hit the Control 2 to add the subdivision modifier. Then use the knife tool and create a cut like this. Then select this top and bottom faces, increase the selection and delete them. Then select these edges and Control X to dissolve them. You will get this kind of loop structure around it. So you will get this kind of design. I'm going to select this part and I will take the symmetry on this. So I will get this kind of design, which is looking really well. Now I will use this backup part, shift it to duplicate it and move it to the main collection, and then hide the backup. Select this object, isolate it, delete this top and bottom faces. Okay, so there you go. In this way you can create this kind of design. You can see it from the inner side, it is looking really well. You can see from the outer side, you can see its topology. I'm going to turn on the cavity. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then hit that like button and subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye bye. See you next video. Take care.